Okay, back to give a quick update on Bitcoin. If you haven't watched the previous videos, you should at least if you're gonna watch this, the one on Bitcoin before, because you'll see why we're in buys, where we bought, and everything like that. I'm just doing a quick update. Everything has played out from what we were saying from days before, and especially yesterday when we took buys in this box here. Yeah, somewhere in this area anyway. You'll see it's in the videos, the exact area. So we took great, I took great opportunity, and if anybody else joined in, then congratulations. But everything is going exactly as said before. I did move this 3 just now. I was thinking, where did I just move this 3? It'll be on the 15th. Or is it the 4? Okay, because I've been waiting to see if we can get another move down in the 4. I'm still waiting for that, but yeah, that's it. I was considering putting the 3 here and the 4 here, only because we got our 1 2, we got our 1 2, all right, and then in 3 we've got our 1 2. Okay, then you want to count 1 2 3 4 5 in 3, and it could be A, B, C, and 4, which means 4 is already done in a expanding flat. Now, so what I did was I went and I took the normal Fibonacci retracement from the top of there to the bottom here, and I toggled on the 1618. Because if we had touched the 1618, that would be an invalidation. It's not common, it's very rare for the B wave to extend and hit the 1618. So we just missed out on it and came down here into the demand, broke this, came down. Looks like we had some form of accumulation down here, and then broke this high. So unless this is all a B wave, which it could be, and then we still come down and get that drop before going higher, cool. But I'm leaning towards this potentially being the 3 now. We've got a clear 1 2 3 4 5 for the 5th wave of our third, and then we've got an A, B, C, not hitting the 1618. So that is a definite potential. But also I look at things like this candle has no wick, and it doesn't appear that this one has either. In fact, it has a gap. And price could just come back in there to fill it. But I mean, again, being bullish, we don't have too far to go before we could have a retrace, because if we 3 4, we're looking at 5, then we can get a 4 and a 5, or we might come down in a 2. This might be a A, B, C, and it might turn around, but there's many reasons why price could come down there after finishing the move up. So either way, this you can see now we're on our way up. We're not coming down here again to complete a 4 and then go higher. I mean, if you look at the length of our 2 wave, that's sufficient, especially if this is the 3. It's, it's going to be, let's put the time on it, say somewhere there, and that being the end of 3, meaning that 3 was like 3 times as long as wave 2. That's decent. And yeah, that makes it make sense. If we had brought it to here, it would have been maybe the same, and that's not I had it here, innit? Oh, here. I'll even give it some space and bring it to the top. Oh, sorry, top here. Okay, well, that would be, in that instance, it would be just over 2 times, which is, sorry, yeah, we wanted to check if we'd done it like this. Not even 1 to 1. 1 to 1 would be this line here, and it finishes before that. Usually your fourth waves, far more commonly, are longer and more drawn out than your 2 waves. This would be finishing quicker than this, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, 6, maybe 7 candles in that 2 wave. So yeah, we're in good profits. I did take some partials, but I've always left it in, and some in from the beginning. And also, if we had come down there again, or if I was on the screen when it came here, I might have got in. I would have added more positions. I would have added what I took out right back in, basically. Still aiming for this white line, taking out that high. I know once we hit this supply, we'll probably pull down a bit. Then we'll probably take it out. Then we'll probably pull down a bit. Then we'll probably take that out. But that's the target. Above this high is the target, and we're well on our way there from when I was calling it over here. Friday, somewhere in here yesterday, somewhere in this box. It's in the video. You'll see it. I called the buys, and we've been going up since. Haven't stopped doing it. So that's a quick update on Bitcoin. Ethereum, I know it's going to follow suit. It's acting stubborn. In fact, it might be a decent buy opportunity here for Ethereum. I think that is a decent buy opportunity there. ICP will be the same as Ethereum, but looking a little bit more bullish. I feel like it's got a little bit more strength than Ethereum to me. Okay, so we're cleared the 50 MA. We seem to be accumulating, ready to go higher. Ethereum, same thing. It's just a bit weird. This structure here, I just feel like it wants to do some kind of a shakeout down to here, maybe even a bit lower. It just feels like that, so I don't really want to play with Ethereum today. Okay, old USD. Yeah, so Bitcoin again. It might just be charging on its way. I would be waiting for it to finish this 5. Look for a 3 wave move down for the purple 4, and then that's when I'd want to join this to take out this high. So that's my analysis, and I'll update you on. I just did a video on USD major pairs. That was Euro USD, NZD USD, AUD USD, and USD JPY. You should check that out. I will be doing updates on Tesla, Recursion Pharmaceuticals, and Amazon once we start getting price movement on them charts. So I'll check you out later. You know what I'm trying to say. Peace.